Don't kill me, please. Let me live, sir. Please.
You're ruining it.
It sounds like Jack's doing it now.
Please.
Dude, look at the guy in the thingy.
Don't kill me.
Shut up, bitch.
There's a guy, look, you can push him off. Push the guy outside the thingy.
I'm not a violent man. Please. Why does misfortune follow
Okay.
me everywhere?
Okay.
It won't let you. No, try to get up on the side with him.
Oh god, it sounds so wrong.
Wait, who's fapping? I want to know.
I'm fapping.
Whatever you think I've done.
Do you not hear the fapping?
The noises stopped. Oh, no, they didn't.
Are you still recording? I wonder if they were purposefully doing this.
I'm not a violent man. Please don't hurt me.
You're ruining it. Like more sex noises. You're my bitch now. Thank you.
I'm no warrior, just a poor workman. Spare me.
They're role playing.
Oh, it stopped.
That's when they climax. Oh, that boom. We're going again.
I'm begging, good sir. Don't kill me.
They're
Please,
still
sir.
rolling.
Whatever
It's
I've
pretty
done, I'm sorry. Whatever you think I've done, I didn't mean it.
This is the most entertaining thing ever.
I'm begging, good sir. Don't kill me. I'm begging, good sir. Don't kill me.
Close your eyes and just listen. Okay, I'm done. I cannot make any of this anymore. This is so